everyone, so today I'm going to be cooking a fish dish. Yeah, so all my ingredients are from Lidl, you can get them from anywhere you like. I've got 2 cod fillets, these are skinless and boneless. Salmon would work well as well if you want to use salmon. Peeled potatoes in a tin, you can use normal potatoes, you could use rice, couscous, anything you like. This is just showing you what I'm using. Some shallots, £1.90, I've already chopped those up, and some cheese. The cheese was £2.39. And I've also got this ham. This had 20% off. The original price was £1.69. You can use any ham you like. You could even use bacon if you want to. So first of all, I'm going to get the tinned potatoes into the air fryer. Now I'm using the air fryer, you can use the stove if you like. I'm also using some garlic granules and a spoon, a huge spoon of Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to get those into the air frying dish, give them a shake, because these are the only things that are going to take the longest, to be honest. So they're going straight in. Onto air fry. Oh, right, so the fish. What I've done here, I've got the fish out and just wrapped it in the ham. So I've got it on some kitchen paper here. Get yourself some ham out, just like that. And the piece of fish, so easy to do. Oh, might need 2 pieces of ham for this one. This one's quite a chunky one. So get another piece of ham, pop that on the top, wrap that over and get that on to your air fryer or into your oven, whatever you like to, however you like to cook it, in the frying pan, whatever you like. It's only going to be a couple of minutes either side for that. In a pan, I've just got some melted butter and then in go the shallots. I've done the whole packet of shallots because I thought to myself, why not? And guys, whilst you're there, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? They're cooking away nicely, so I'm going to add some garlic and some mixed herbs. Also, I have some peas left over from the other day, so I'm going to get those in as well. You don't have to add these if you don't want to. Give these a stir. I've got some cream here, you can use creme fraiche if you like. A couple of spoonfuls of the cream. And I'm going to add in a spoonful of the Parmesan. Give it a stir, and that's going to be my sauce. Put that low on a gentle simmer, bit of salt, and a bit of pepper. The fish only needs a couple of minutes either side, so I'm going to get that on now, and then everything should be done on time. The Parmesan potatoes are done. I've just put some of those onto my plate, and I've just added the fish onto the top of the mix. So let's get this onto my plate as well. I love fish, really love fish, and it's really good for you, high in protein as well. Get some of that sauce on as well. Looks beautiful. Even some tomatoes in there would be nice, wouldn't it? So there you go. That's what it looks like. There you go. Some of the Parmesan and the sauce as well. Oh, that's really tasty, that sauce is beautiful. And I just love these potatoes. I don't know if you like them or not, guys, but I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with those potatoes. Chuck them in the air fryer with a bit of seasoning on, any type of seasoning. Parmesan works great, and so does paprika as well, always goes lovely. A really lovely fish dish. Give it a go, guys.